So who wants to learn how to make their very own Swedish cardamom buns? Here's how you can make them.
Mix your dry ingredients and cut the butter into the dry mixture until you get coarse breadcrumbs. Add the milk and mix to combine. Knead the dough and allow it to rest for 45 minutes or until doubled. Roll out the dough into a 22 by 15 inch rectangle, make the fill-in and spread it evenly on top of the dough, leaving an inch of space at the end. Do a single fold, gently roll together, and then cut them into strips. Twist each strip and wrap it around your fingers or roll into a spiral and place them on a baking tray. Egg wash them and bake them for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Make the sugar syrup and glaze the buns. Add some pearl or coarse sugar on top and your cardamom buns are now complete. You can enjoy them on its own or as part of a fika. Please follow me for more great baking content.